Are you thinking about forming a company in the UK? The process can seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step. By the end of this video, you'll know what it takes to form a limited company in the UK. To make the process even easier, I recommend using First Formations. They are the leading company formation agent in the UK, trusted by over 1 million businesses. They get your company registered in as little as 24 hours, and they also offer key services like business address options and compliance support. You can find the link in the descriptions to their website. Keep in mind that this is an affiliate link. If you use it, I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps me to support the channel. Thank you, and now let's dive in. Step 1. Choosing the right company structure. Before forming your company, it's important to consider the right structure for your business. The most common type in the UK is a limited company, which is a separate legal entity from the people who run it. This means that your personal assets are protected, and the company's finances are kept separate from your own. Other options include sole traders and partnerships, but for most businesses aiming to grow, a limited company is the preferred choice. Are you still unsure? There are government-backed schemes that can help you decide, so check them out in the government website. Step 2. Selecting a company name. One of the most exciting parts of forming a company is choosing the name. Your company name must usually end with Limited or Ltd, and it cannot be offensive or similar to another registered company name. It's a good idea to check your proposed name using the company name availability checker, which is linked in the description of this video. And keep in mind, if you want to trade under a different name, that's possible too, as long as it complies with legal requirements. Step 3. Appointing directors and a company secretary. Every company must have at least one director who's responsible for overseeing the company's operations. Directors must follow the rules set out in the company's Articles of Association, which is essentially the company's rulebook. While you're not required to appoint a company secretary, having one can help with administrative tasks, allowing you to focus on growing the business. If you're just starting out and want to make sure you stay compliant, check out First Formation's full company secretary service. They will make sure your records are kept up to date and that you remain compliant all year long. Step 4. Deciding on shareholders or guarantors. If you're forming a limited company, it will likely be limited by shares, meaning it will have shareholders who own the company. If you're the sole shareholder, you will own 100%. You can also bring in other shareholders and set the value of each share to limit liability. Furthermore, shareholders may be eligible for dividends, which are subject to tax, so it's important to consider the financial structure carefully. Step 5. Identifying people with significant control. To maintain transparency, you'll need to identify people with significant control. PSC is anyone who holds more than 25% of the company's shares or voting rights, or anyone who has significant influence over the company. Ensuring proper identification and reporting of PSCs is a critical legal requirement in the company formation process. If your company structure is a bit more complex, make sure to check out the full PSC guide on government website. Step 6. Preparing essential documents. To officially form your company, you'll need 2 key documents: the Memorandum of Association and the Articles of Association. The memorandum is a legal statement signed by the initial shareholders agreeing to form the company. If you register online, you don't need to write your own memorandum, since it will be created automatically as a part of your registration. The Articles of Association outline how the company will operate. It's like the rulebook for the company. You can use a standard template provided by the government, but if your business has unique needs, you might want to customize it. Step 7. keeping accurate records. Once your company is formed, you'll need to keep detailed records on key aspects of the business, including information about directors, shareholders, and company decisions. You'll also need to record financial transactions and keep this information for at least 6 years. Staying organized with your records is vital for avoiding future issues, and hiring an accountant is highly recommended to ensure you stay compliant with tax obligations. Step 8. Registering your company with Companies House. The final step is registering your company with Companies House, the official registrar for companies in the UK. You'll need to provide a registered office address, which will be publicly available, and select a standard industrial classification code to describe your business activities. At this point, you can also register for corporation tax with HMRC. Once you're registered, you'll receive a certificate of incorporation confirming that your company legally exists. If you're looking for more information about the formation process, take a look at the UK government's step-by-step guide on setting up a limited company. Accessing information straight from them ensures you get the most current and accurate guidance. You'll find the link to this guide in the description. Congratulations! You've now formed your company in the UK. Each step is essential to ensure your business is set up for success and compliance. And if you want to simplify the process, remember that First Formations can take care of the heavy lifting for you. They will register your company quickly and efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I wish you the best luck with your new business.